If you want to... What's up guys? Welcome to Dial Home Tech. And before anything, if you're new here and you want to learn about smart homes, home automation, and check out some cool tech reviews, then please click on the subscribe button right there and stay tuned for some awesome content. Alright, so in today's video, I'm actually going to be kicking off a new segment called the Smart Tip, where I go over a particular tip for a device that I currently use at my house for smart home automation. Alright, so you're here to learn how to do the Philips Hue Wakeup Routine on your current Philips Hue setup. So let's get started. Wakeup routines are particularly nice because they let you kind of wake up slowly to the simulated sunrise event. Alright, so open up your Philips Hue app, and then at the bottom you're going to see an option for routines. Tap on that, and then select the wake up option right there on that list. By tapping on that, you're going to be brought up to a page where you can create your routine if you don't already have one. Here, you can change the name of your routine, so we're just going to call Wakeup Routine for now. So then you're going to be able to pick what time you want this routine to start. Following that, you're going to select when you want this routine to take place, so we're going to do all weekdays. And then you can actually pick the length of the fade in that you want for the routine. So that's going to be how long you want your lights to fade in before they go to full brightness. Then you can actually select which rooms or which lights you want that to happen. So in that case, I'm just going to pick the master bedroom, which has 2 lights. And then you can select when you want your lights to turn off so they don't stay on the whole day. And then you're going to want to hit save, and there you go, your routine is created. Then the routines are actually going to run based on the days of the week and times that you selected. Alright, so that's the smart tip for today. If you found any value on this, please hit that like button. Also, I'm going to leave some of the Philips Hue Smart products right there in my description, so that if you're someone who's in the market for those, you can actually check it out. Also, if you haven't yet, please check me out on social media. You can find me at @DialHomeTech on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, where I actually post daily, weekly stories and things about home technology and home automation as well. Well guys, this about wraps it up for this one. Thank you so much for the immense support. I appreciate it. And until next time, I'm Dial. See ya.